I just went back a couple of steps from exercise 6, and I would like to recreate the same little portal frame, but this time with the new knowledge we just acquired, meaning copy, move, and mirror. So what could we do? Members, profile, we'll come back to the column, which was a 12 by 79, no offset, not rear, but front, and we'll just go start, finish, so far okay, start, finish, so far still good, and then a rafter, side, 1235, and go from there to there, there to there. Next would be the intermediate column, same profile, but centered, start, finish, start, finish. And with that, we could go to copy, points, these four, from here, enter, to there, enter, to there, enter, to there, enter, and to there, enter, right click, OK, select the two intermediate columns, enter, from here, enter, to there, enter. Member, create profile, the little beams, beam 8 by 13, there we go, we're in front view, that side, 1, 2, 1, 2, come back. So I would like to say we switch to row E, still have my points there for that other intermediate column, and once we start with the girts, we could say we have a girt perpendicular to our view. That was a channel with a rotation, with an anchor point and a length. And yes, I could say here, 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 here. While we're at it, I'll also create the purlins. So there we would go for the purlins and the purlins. And there we are. No rotation though. 1, 2. A divide would also work, definitely, or distribute, sorry, would also work, but we're busy with the function anyway, might as well create the component. Now, if we have a purlin or a girt with all kind of connections on it, we finish the connections, then it might be worth copying, but here it's still a stick model, so we don't have to use the distribute yet. What can be useful at this stage would be a mirror again to select the various components there, and we'll mirror that over the central axis. And it brings me to a good point. Nothing's happening. I can see fully colliding members. It is not allowed to have 100% identical components, one on top of the other. These mirror over there. So if we were to select the column, for example, mirror to the other side, the exact same column is already there. That's simply not possible, will be refused, hence the warning, fully colliding members. Good that we bumped into it. And then I'll move over to the bracing. Nothing really special there. Now we know the move and copy function, so we'll still be members. Back to the 2-point situation. Bracing. It was an angle. This with an offset. And we'd go 1, 2, 1, 2, and opposite position like that for the other side. And we would, of course, mirror that once more. these 4 components around the center axis, copy to the other side. As for the roof, the slope plane is still there. Members, create, would use exactly what I have here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the opposite position for the other bracing. Now, you might have noticed that these are not in the right position because I'm on the roof slope and I did not give a proper offset. Correct. So that allows me to go to move by dimensions and to say in the 6.5 inches offset, meaning 6.5 inches away from me. And once I have that, one more time, mirror to the other side, as such. That's that. A little bit quicker, but once we add more connections in there, copying, moving, will have much more of an effect.